बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 28 जनवरी 2024 के अखबार में। जनरल की जॉब है। रिनाउंड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी एट शाराय फैसल रिक्वायर्ड HR असिस्टेंट। शेयर योर CV ऑन फॉलोइंग एड्रेस। कॉन्टैक्ट 0334234240 0334234240। ईमेल jobski9@gmail.com jobski9@gmail.com। An export oriented textile processing unit in site is looking for an experienced compliance officer. Candidate should be well versed about environmental laws of implementation of EHS management system, labor laws, risk assessment, audit practices, ISO standards, workers training, policy drafting and chemicals management. Graduate and proficient to write and speak fluently in English. Send your CV at textile recruitment102@gmail.com textile recruitment102@gmail.com। International call center located on Main Sharai Faisal requires boys for night shift and part-time workers. Basic English is mandatory. Age limit 32 years. 033332899797 033332899797। Email expertsolution786@gmail.com। Ladies/gents advocate required with 10 years experience in advocacy, specializing in civil and criminal cases, exclusively associated with our firm. Contact Suhail Beg Noori and Company। ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2 to 4 PM डेली। फ़ोन नंबर 0333214189 0333214189। Qualified person is required in Karachi who can manage the complete job of solar energy systems for residential and commercial. Persons should have at least 5 years of experience working with the well-known solar energy company in Karachi. Email CV trynewjob786@gmail.com। WhatsApp only 033336963839 033336963839। Seeking a professional with excellent English, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है spoken and written for an Australian company, Monday to Thursday 10 to 16, Friday 10 to 20, 35,000 to 40,000 per month. Call us on 0319 2032 408 0319 2032 408। Must be able to commute to Gulshan-e-Memar for work. A men's boutique in Zamzama, Clifton needs a master who is expert and experienced in his work. मोबाइल नंबर है 0331 233 0337 0331 233 0337। We require female graduates and masters for operations, IT and telemarketing in our investment bank company. Contact 0300 922 9826 0300 922 9826। info@finimart.com। Defense phase 7 एक्सटेंशन एंड बुखारी कमर्शियल मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है। एन एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड टेक्सटाइल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट इन साइट इज लुकिंग फॉर एडमिन मैनेजर। ग्रेजुएट विद एट लीस्ट 10 years experience. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इंक्लूडिंग हायरिंग, ट्रेनिंग, हाउसकीपिंग, गेट एंड सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस वर्क। द कैंडिडेट मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डीलिंग विद वेरियस GOVT department and utility companies with good written and verbal communication skill in English. Send your CV at textile recruitment102@gmail.com। Dreams Pakistan is hiring digital marketing manager. Requirements: experience with Facebook and Instagram ads, meta expertise on Shopify's backend, expertise related to the e-commerce industry, experience minimum 2 years experience in digital marketing. Eligible candidates share their resume at info@dreamspakistan.com 0322883651 0322883651। Reputed dyes, stuff and food ingredient manufacturing company requires assistant laboratory manager with following roles and responsibilities. Number 1, test and evaluate raw materials and finished products according to industry standards. Number 2, maintain laboratory stock and supplies. Number 3, perform routine quality testing. Number 4, assistant senior lab manager in performing new product trials. Qualification bachelor/masters in food science/applied chemistry/industrial chemistry. Experience fresh or 2 years in related field. Send your CV at info@adilenterprises.com. Vacant slot protocol manager. Qualification graduate, age 30 to 45 years, army background. Will be preferred. Expertise MS Office/Excel, acquainted basic ethics of protocol duties, command in verbal and written English language as well. Social media CV submission contacts 033236028030 0332360280 shafiqahmed.kri@gmail.com. Shafiq SHAFIQUE shafiqahmed.kri@gmail.com. अच्छा जी, अब ये मल्टीपल की जॉब है. अ मल्टीपल ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज रिक्वायर्स फीमेल्स. नंबर 1, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. नंबर 2, ब्रांड मैनेजर. नंबर 3, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर. नंबर 4, एग्जीक्यूटिव कोऑर्डिनेशन. नंबर 5, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग हेड. Number 6, event management as the director of event management company for the growth of the group independently. Send your CV email hr@gaguargroups.com or WhatsApp number 0310635222 0310635222. A well reputable custom clearing and freight forwarding company requires. Number 1, accounts officer. Number 2, sales executive. Number 3, documentation executive. Number 4, receptionist cum telephone operator. Candidate having relevant experience will be preferred. Having at hr.openings.pk@gmail.com with category in subject. Make a Wish Foundation Pakistan, a leading NGO, requires bracket में लिखा हुआ है male/female bracket close for Karachi and Lahore offices. Number 1, coordinator. Number 2, social media assistant. Number 3, fundraising assistant. NGO experience will be preferred. Kindly email your CV to admin@makeawish.org.pk. Qualified chemical expert and sale manager is required in Karachi who can manage the new setup of production and sales of hand sanitizer, multi-purpose liquid cleaners, dishwashing cleaners, drain openers, etc. Person should have at least 5 years experience of working with the well-known brand in Karachi. Email CV trynewjob786@gmail.com. WhatsApp only 0333696839 033336963839. Receptionist/tele operator. Export company office located near Punjab Chaurangi, Karachi requires male telephone operator. Knowing well computer/MS Office. Please send your biodata/CVs on email mshahid@fazalsardar.com mshahid@fazalsardar.com. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.